Welcome back, guys. So today is our last video for this project. I hope you have learned a lot from this project, and for the next project we will continue more deeper for the Flutter builder. So now let's continue our lesson. The first, since we have done the home screen, we also have the prayer time page. So let's continue with the calendar. So here is the calendar page that we don't have it yet. So here is the page that we have. Now let's try to build this with the real of the calendar of Islamic calendar. So let's open to the ChatGPT. Okay. So I'm going to paste this real what we have done before. So let's create the real Islamic calendar. Islamic calendar. I think is spelling is wrong. So create a real Islamic calendar with this screen. Alright, so we have to wait for a while. Okay, now you can see that what we need to do is we need to also add the hatchery that package. I think I forgot to check, maybe we already have that. If not, so we have to install that. So here is the complete of the Islamic calendar. Alright, so let's try to check our package first. Do we have any hatchery? We have the hatchery package here, but actually this is a different one. This one is called hatchery picker. So I'm going to also install this. What the requirement of the chat GPT. Let's try. I think there's something wrong with this because of this is not support. So we need to make it maybe here. This is the version that not support with this. So let's try to be this one better. Try this package. Try this version because of the version is not capable for this. It's not much. Maybe let's try to remove this. All right. I think there's something wrong with this. Maybe try to make it the higher of the hierarchy version. I'm sorry. Try to just copy this. All right. Let's try to see. Okay, now it's perfectly work. All right, so I'm going to copy this what the ChatGPT have generated. Take this version. Okay, perfect. So let's try to make hot refresh for this page. Okay, we have this, and then we also have this. But actually, this is the not the full of the calendar. Let's try to update this UI. I'm going to use the DeepShark. As I said before, DeepShark is more good for the UI. So I'm going to improve the UI, and make it like calendars. Okay, so let's see. So we need to wait for a while because this is the full of the UI. Alright, so now it completed. So let's try to check how it works. I'm going to copy this and pass it in the new one. Let's see how it's worked. So now you can see that it become red screen. So no worry, let's try to make a hard refresh first. Okay, it was still error, so we need to fix it. Let's try to see. We have the prayer time, we have the calendars here. Perfect. So you can see that now we have this and the prayer time and also this. So the next one is we also need to create the setting. You can see this is also the setting on the top, but it's not working. Let's try to fix this one. So let's try to go for this. We have done the prayer time, we have done the calendar, so this is the last one of this project. So let's try to builds create a real setting for prayer time and calendar page. So previously we already have the calendar. Let's try to also copy the prayer time page for the ChatGPT to understand our flow. So now let's try to see how it works. Okay, now this is what we have done. We have this and 24 hours of this. So let's try. Now we have also this for installing the package. This is the package. Let's try to see on this one. So we have this and this. So I'm going to copy this and paste into the setting. Let's try to see. Okay, so here is the calendar and also the setting of the prayer. So we have this, we have Sophie, we have, and then so far it's here. So this is the prayer, this is the calendar, and also this is the setting. So now let's try to improve this setting. We also have the app bar, but let's try to check this also has, but the setting is not really good. I'm going to also add the color of the app bar. To make it consistent, I'm going to use this color, the gradients of this. So this one is not good, it's okay, but this one, let's try to check it. I'm going to, here is the app bar. So we are trying to add the background color. Okay, so let's try to check with this color. I'm going to make it, this one is must be capital, or we direct to the green. Yes. All right, let's try to see. Perfect. So we have this, we also have this, and also have the prayer type as well. So thank you so much. This is our final lesson for the Islamic Reminder project. So for the next video, we are going to learn more about other app as well. So this project I'm going to give you in the link. So if you cannot see the link, you can drop down your email so that I can directly send to you through email. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.